Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 File Explorer not responding issue. First method is type File Explorer options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer options. Click Clear under Privacy. Second method is right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Third method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Fourth method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.